Think about investing your money or efforts into sectors that are not only profitable, but essential for India's future. While many companies continue to explore traditional sectors, the true innovations are unfolding in areas that closely align with national ambitions and global sustainability trends. We have invested over 30 years in helping businesses navigate changing market landscapes in India. Our insights are derived from more than 50 government policy documents, discussions with over 100 industry experts, and unique data sources not available in public records. What you will read next is not superficial. It is derived from genuine analysis and proven strategies that have aided companies in their transition from startups to leading market players. 5. Solar panels, powering India's renewable energy movement. India's path to energy autonomy is being driven by solar power, with the solar market anticipated to soar from $49.7 billion in 2024 to $86.9 billion by 2030. It's evident that solar isn't merely a trend, it's the foundation of India's clean energy future. Beyond rooftop panels, enormous potential exists in the entire production ecosystem. From transforming raw silicon into wafers to assembling high-efficiency solar modules and conducting testing for long-term reliability. The government's production-linked incentive (PLI) scheme is encouraging local manufacturing, creating opportunities for businesses to address vital supply chain gaps. As solar becomes more cost-effective than coal, and rural electrification and smart cities gain traction, those who invest early will find themselves positioned ahead of a thriving energy revolution. 4. Epoxy resins, the understated catalyst of industrial growth. Although seldom in the limelight, epoxy resins are the unsung champions that keep modern industry together. From the interiors of cars to the blades of wind turbines and the insulation in electronics, these materials are ubiquitous and essential. Currently valued at $0.65 billion, India's epoxy resin market is anticipated to expand to $1.05 billion by 2030, indicating robust demand from infrastructure, construction, and advanced manufacturing sectors. The manufacturing process, which involves the reaction of epichlorohydrin with polyols, such as bisphenol A, yields highly versatile materials used in coatings, adhesives, and composites. As India accelerates the development of smart cities and industrial corridors, the demand for high-performance, durable materials like epoxy resins will only continue to grow subtly yet powerfully. 3. Biodegradable Plastic Bags, India's transition to green packaging. Plastic waste is no longer a remote environmental issue. It has become a critical economic and policy challenge. With restrictions on single-use plastics spreading across states, the need for biodegradable alternatives is surging. Introducing corn starch-based bags, sustainable, compostable, and increasingly favored by consumers and regulators alike. The Indian market, valued at $0.08 billion in 2024, is projected to more than double by 2030. These bags are produced by blending natural starch with biodegradable polymers such as PLA or PBAT, providing a scalable replacement to conventional plastic. As industries such as e-commerce, food delivery, and hospitality adopt eco-friendly practices, this sector offers an accessible, high-growth chance for entrepreneurs looking to create profit with purpose. 2. Lithium-Ion Battery Assembly, fueling the EV and energy storage surge. India's electric vehicle (EV) revolution is firmly in progress, and lithium-ion batteries are at its core. Demand for battery packs is soaring, encompassing everything from scooters and cars to solar energy storage and backup power systems. The market is anticipated to expand from $3.8 billion in 2024 to $16.8 billion by 2030, a remarkable 28.5% CAGR. While domestic cell manufacturing is still on the rise, battery assembly is already thriving, involving processes such as electrode coating, module integration, and BMS battery management system installation. With strong incentives like the FAME scheme and PLI propelling electrification forward, entrepreneurs entering this field now have the potential to benefit from substantial downstream demand, technology localization, and India's commitment to spearheading the clean mobility transition. 1. Wood Plastic Composite, WPC, the future of sustainable construction. Envision a building material that's water-resistant, durable, eco-friendly, and requires minimal maintenance. This is precisely what Wood Plastic Composite, WPC, provides, an innovative fusion of recycled plastic and wood fibers that is gaining traction in Indian construction and furniture sectors, with the market expected to grow from $15 billion in 2024 to $3 billion by 2030. WPC is being utilized in urban infrastructure, smart city housing, and coastal developments. The manufacturing process includes mixing thermoplastic resins, such as PE or PVC, with wood waste and additives, followed by extrusion into adaptable profiles. As consumers and developers steer away from conventional wood and PVC, WPC is rising as a highly sought-after, sustainable solution ideal for forward-thinking companies eager to embrace the green construction revolution. From solar energy and electric vehicles to biodegradable packaging and groundbreaking construction materials, these 5 industries are shaping the forthcoming phase of Indian manufacturing. Nevertheless, merely recognizing opportunity is not enough. Achieving success stems from taking timely action, accompanied by a clear strategy. And that's where we come in. With over 30 years of experience, we've helped businesses across India navigate and thrive in emerging sectors by offering end-to-end support from detailed techno-economic feasibility reports and in-depth market research to equipment and raw material planning, process flow diagrams, and complete financial projections with ROI analysis. Whether you're looking for a ready-made solution or need something custom-built from the ground up, we tailor every step to align with your goals and resources. If you're ready to turn data into smart, actionable decisions, get in touch with us using the phone number or email provided in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for regular insights into high-growth opportunities and future-ready industries. Your next big move starts here.